Joey.
What are you going to talk about how messy my room is?
This is Joey's man cave. It is a variety of laundry.
Hey, listen.
This is the bathroom that he uses.
In a world of tidiness and beautiful decorated rooms and stuff like that, this is my way of venting.
Here's the behind the scenes. Joey is the one that like uploads all our footage, so he's got like hard drives. This is our card thing. It's right by an open packet of Hanes underwear.
Yes, you saw us pull together our office that's in the front, but we also have this bedroom in the back. Joey uses it a lot. I use it often as well during Moon's naps because it's right off of the bedroom where he naps in. The front office is where like our assistant works. We meet with our crew there when they come to film videos. It's kind of more like the active office space. The back room is where we go to like just buckle down, work, get work done, be quiet. That's why we've got 2 offices, in case you're wondering. Summer break, how sweet it was traveling the country and spending time with family. In the last episode, we left the island for the first time since moving here, and while we had a blast, our tropical paradise was calling us back home. So here we are, back in our fixer-upper, recharged and ready to tackle some more projects, like finally decorating our primary bedroom and bathroom, and Joey's man cave. Oh, that beanbag. Oh, and we also have some truly exciting news to share with you today. I can't believe it's finally out.
I'm Joey.
I'm Kate. I'm Moon. And we're Mr. Kate.
Okay, so this is like a get ready with me chat. We are finally going to attack this back area of the house. We put every other room before the rooms that we actually inhabit a lot, which is our bedroom. This bathroom, which I'm in every morning getting ready. So, oh yes, this is the current state of my vanity makeup. This was organized, okay? This was. Also, we've got these like little openings here, and I'm thinking that would be a great place to like do some kind of like built-in storage or drawers or something. Oh my gosh, that light and this mirror has to go.
Moral of the story, don't do as we do. We have set up all the other spaces for guests. Our bedroom and our bathroom and the study room is just, it's a disaster zone, and it needs to not be that way anymore. I'm crying inside.
We are those people with towels on our windows.
We are affected
High time
too.
We get those off.
Yes. Ugh.
All right.
So ready. This is my little broad spectrum SPF 35. I'm sure so many of you can also identify with the like bathroom sort of explosion that happens. So obviously I want to come up with some like aesthetic way to organize all of that. I'm trying to get like the dregs. Why don't they make these things long enough to get down in there? Should we contour? Should we contour? Where are the cheekbones? Good question. Here? Sure. Today they will be here. So the really exciting thing is that you guys have seen us use our Peel and Stick Wallpaper. What's so exciting is that the wallpaper line is finally available. As of right now, as I'm blabbing about it, it's out. It's on your favorite online websites, quick ship, all that stuff. There's colorful, there's neutral, there's complex patterns, there's more simple patterns. Of course, budget friendly, rental friendly, all of that, because it's removable. And of course, we want to just like keep enjoying those things that we've been working so hard on. So I want to definitely do a pattern in the man cave area, like make it kind of like a wife approved man cave, is that sort of such a thing? And then in here in this bathroom, I have it set up got some samples on the wall. I'll show you guys too. So these are the wallpapers I'm thinking to do in here. That one is actually the sort of neutral version of the pinky purple one that we did in Gigi's room.
Oh, it's beautiful.
And then these are these two really pretty butterfly wallpapers. We've got like the gray tone, we've got the dark blue. I love the geometry of this one, how it has almost like a pattern within a pattern. But you can see how like this kind of neutral with then like this pop color. Oh, it'll be so pretty. I've got my little earring up there because I was just thinking of like an accent color for in here, and I love that like fuchsia tone. Weigh in. Butterflies, gray or blue? Or neutral. Dried flower kaleidoscope. How do you DIY a potty to be more fun? Potty DIY ideas in the comments, please. This bathroom, I really want to make this like my sort of sanctuary because this is where I spend time getting ready. It's where I am sort of alone. Sometimes I've got Moon interrupting at various points, but it's where I just kind of like, you know, give myself my pep talks and all of that. I'm gonna try out some new lashes from a local Hawaiian company, Maka Lash. I already trimmed them down. Loving experimenting with like different local things around here. Here is the final look. Ooh, these lashes are popping. Okay, so here is the wallpaper sample that I'm thinking for the bedroom. It's just this really pretty creamy floral, and it's a mural. So basically you order it for the size of your wall. So I would just do this behind the bed and then paint the rest of the walls. And I want it to still feel like it's part of the rainbow house. So I'll infuse some color elsewhere and also probably some like grounding darker colors so that it doesn't feel like so feminine in here.
Can't sleep like this anymore.
In the bedroom, obviously, hang some curtains, and I want to use that mural of the soft, creamy florals on the back wall. We are going to set up the Daphne bed in there, which is one of our beds I love, in the ivory colors. That bedroom is the bedroom that we all three sleep in. We've got our family bed in there. Doesn't work for all people, but works for us. We love it. So yes, this is also Moon's room. So we'll have to infuse some good like bookshelf storage stuff in there because Moon loves his books, and we have so many kids' books in there as we read to him every night. Okay, did the beanbag find its final resting place?
I mean, if this is the man cave, is this the man cave?
I mean, you have dubbed it the man cave. I like to also work in here, but you work more in here. What is a man cave? I don't even know. I mean, obviously it's such a stereotyped term. We're not trying to be like on the nose man cave, like wood everywhere, dark colors, big screen TV that's bigger than life itself. We're gonna like have, you know, man cave elements, but do like a tropical, Joey-ified twist, wife approved. Make it fun.
Meaning that the beanbag should probably stay in here.
You know, I have learned from many of you in the comments the empathy everyone is feeling for this beanbag. I have been anti-bean bag this whole time. No. Oh, Joey.
Just push it through.
Oh, I already hate this thing. Ugh. Oh my gosh, and then the beanbag.
Don't say it in a negative way. Perfect right there.
And I have heard many of you with very strong opinions out there saying, just let Joey have his beanbag. Come on. He does so much stuff around there. Just let the man have his beanbag. Okay. We only have like 5 sofas, but sure, he can have his beanbag too. You can keep it.
Woohoo!
However,
It's as big as the room.
It really is. It's really the only thing we're gonna be able to fit in here besides the desk. But I do think we should recover it.
Okay. Wait, let me get all the way up here.
Yeah, because it's really so comfortable. If I get up, you're gonna fall off.
The amount of times I have walked in there and seen Joey just like in like a weird position with his neck all like kinked up, like looking at his laptop. I don't know. I think we're better off making those desks comfortable with like comfortable desk chairs, but I won't dare put it out on the side of the road again because you all came for me when I did that.
So when we first moved in here, we were like, hey, we're gonna make this our confessional room like we were in The Bachelor or something.
Like a backdrop.
Yeah.
So we took out the shelf and the rod. We were gonna like wallpaper in here, like neon lights, have it be a whole thing.
And here we are months later.
Yeah, here we are months later and our confessionals are just us outside by the ulu tree. In that alcove, I think we do like a darker complementary color in there, light it up with some, LED strip lights and create some cool like cube shelving and stuff to display and also store all of our filming equipment. Cause I just feel like that's kind of man cavey to have, like the tech side of things. That's where we were storing it all anyways. And kind of figure out a way to like put the cords and stuff in some cool crates or something, and then have the more cooler looking like lenses and stuff maybe lit up on shelves. And I don't know. I see it in my head.
So exciting.
It's so phone drop exciting. I can't believe it's finally out. It's official. This is like the moment.
I'm basically wearing this wallpaper.
Look at Joey's
This is
shirt.
my type of wallpaper.
This is the Aloha version of a man cave. So obviously what I love about this is it's like a white background, but obviously besides the white background, the rest of this paper has like such a saturated dark look to it. So because of that, we painted out the trim this dark green color, which I love. It's called Dragonfly.
I also love how like we have this vibe, but then like pan that way and there's like just all this like greenery right outside the window too.
So step one, start with smooth walls. We obviously didn't have smooth walls because we have the wood paneling, so that's why we put up this backer paper.
And you can use it to cover wall planks that have, your channels in it.
Grooves.
Or if you have a lightly textured wall and you want to put up wallpaper, this is great for that too. Place it horizontally because obviously we're placing our wallpaper vertically.
Step two.
Step two, start on one of your edges, and I like to overlap my edge. So I'm gonna start a little further this way, and these are all 18-inch panels. So you're gonna get your 18-inch lines, and you're gonna just slightly overlap. Ready?
Ready.
Big moment.
Woo! Step three, peel the backing down. It is repositionable.
So you wanna go above your trim on the top and below your trim on the bottom, because ultimately we're gonna take a razor blade and do one smooth straight line. Kind of position it on your line that you made.
The first piece is arguably your most important piece because that's where you're really setting the straightness of the pattern. If you go a little cockeyed with your first piece, as you keep going, it'll get a little bit more cockeyed.
I usually like to smooth down on the pencil line, then come back to the left.
If you do, for whatever reason, get like a big air bubble, you just peel it back up and then smooth it back down, getting the air bubble out. So the next piece that you're putting up, you are matching the pattern. So the key is obviously just finding that match within the roll, and you're gonna overlap about like 1/8 of an inch-ish, and that's when it really matches up. And that also helps you make sure you don't have any gapping in between the panels.
Does it look like a wallpaper built for me?
Joey is just swimming in tropical patterns right now. So we just have to get this up all around, but we're gonna paint in the closet area a darker color. I think we do like a built-in in there, like some kind of shelving to display like camera equipment, use some of those strand lights that we got for our filming backdrop. Kind of like a lit up like gear. Very man cave.
You're invited to hang out in
techie.
the man cave.
Yes, I'm trying to make this like man cave-y. We got like a tech shelf, then like a projector.
I'll take a projector, sure.
Or a TV. I don't know. You're the man in this cave. What do you want?
I just need my laptop and a beanbag.
This is why man caves look the way that they actually look. It's because of the qualifications.
Yeah. Whoa!
I think we do 2 desks in front of the window because this is like such a nice breezy spot. 2 of our Winston desks.
Wait, 2 desks? What happened to this being my man cave?
I work in here.
Okay.
It's right by our bedroom.
Yeah.
I work in here while you nap.
Well, we can share a desk. I worry about 2 desks being too crowded.
I worry about you worrying about things that I should be worrying about.
Well, obviously we have a lot to do in here still, but the wallpaper looks great. Our wallpaper's finally available. Everyone around can get some if they want it, yeah.
Shop it at your favorite online retailer. Shop it at your favorite online retailer.
Not only do we have to finish this room, we have to do that bathroom, which is very scary.
That's Joey's man cave bathroom.
All right, so
Okay.
coming up, that bathroom, your bathroom, and the finishing of this man cave.
Finishing up this man cave and our bedroom.
Oh yeah. Okay, go to our website and see all the different wallpaper you can get from us now, and decals.
Oh yeah, and tell us which one to use in the bathroom. Oh, actually, Moon voted for his favorite in the bathroom.
Yay! This is favorite.
Okay, Moon, which one did you tell me was your choice for these?
Flower.
Oh, cool.
Flower one.
All right, group hug.
In the bathroom.
Group hug. Good job, guys. We did it.